Hello, welcome to this tutorial. Today we have an iPhone 7 with the following problem. So the first problem, I can't hear during call. The second, I can't record memos. The third one, loudspeaker grady. Is that no loudspeaker? See, like this one. This is just a feature for demonstration. Let's test the audio IC. So our iPhone 7 of today have a total problem of audio, so we're going to fix the audio IC. So this is easy. So this is just a sample picture for demonstration for iPhone 7 motherboard. So for iPhone 7 and 7 Plus U3101 big audio IC. So this is the audio IC location, and this is the audio IC for iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. So today we are going to fix this problem of audio in the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. So let's see. So what we are going to do here, we are going to remove the audio IC as you see in the picture here. This is just a demonstration, but we will see how we are going to do this task for today. So this is the audio IC. We are going to remove like this one. And we are going to, under the audio IC, we are going to check for broken parts. You see here like this one, this is the broken part. You see the solder ball is removed, or the track are missing here. So we are going to jump like this one. You see here it's jumped from here to here, from here to here. So we are going to jump with the help of body view. So let me show you example on how to use the body view. So this is the body view, or you can call it phone body. For laptop they call body view. So this is phone body. So going to increase size. So you see this U3101, this is the audio IC. So you see here, for example, this is the missing pad. We are going to click here. You see this red means that this pad is connected to here, also is connected to here, and this all red point. So if this pad is missing or broken, we are going to jump from here to here. The second one, for example, this pad, if this pad is missing, we are all broken, we are going to jump from here to here. For example, if this pad is broken also, we are going to jump from here to here. So we are going to do the same thing for all missing or broken parts. So let's fix this problem. This is simple and the easy one. So let's fix.
Tumepata iPhone 7 nyingine ikiwa na tatizo la sauti, lakini tumejaribu kuupdate, bado tatizo liko pale pale. So moja kwa moja tunaenda kucheki audio IC. So acha tu disassemble motherboard, alafu mchakato mwingine ifuate. Hii ndio audio yetu. Kwa hiyo tatizo la audio liweze kukamilika, inabidi tufanye swapping ya hii IC. Moja kwa moja itabidi tufanye swapping. Pia tufanye jumping katika capacitor hizi. Kwanza, ya pili na ya tatu. So twende kwenye process nzima. badilisha hichi kichwa. Sasa tumesha disassemble motherboard yetu, na naona hapa sisi sio watu wa kwanza kushika simu, maana tayari ishawahi kufanyiwa kazi. Nikiangalia moja kwa moja tayari ishawahi kufanyiwa kazi kwenye audio IC kama tunavyoona. Yaani kuna mtu alishafanya service ya simu kwenye audio IC. Then tunaona hapa. So moja kwa moja itabidi tufanyie service audio IC yetu kwa sababu tayari imeshaanza kuona inaleta shida. So let's jump on fixing this problem. Zani unaweza mkaona tayari audio IC iko vizuri kabisa. System yake imekaa poa kabisa baada ya kufanywa repair. Sasa mnasikia sauti vizuri, imekaa poa kabisa.